it's Robin, RS Island Crafts, and welcome to my studio. Today is day 3 in my friend's Advent series. This is what my friend sent, and after the end of this video, you'll see what I sent to my friend. This one's definitely fabric. I feel like it's 2 pieces or 2 fat quarters, quarter yards maybe. Yesterday I was hoping for green stripes, but today let's go for orange polka dots. That would be fun. I never know. My friend comes up with fabric that's totally different than what I find down here, or what I have, I guess I should say. This is not orange, but it is 2 little fat quarters. Look at the fun hearts. They're pink and purple with the green background. That will be a great fabric to add into projects. And then I was just looking at fabric postcards. I was looking at different designs on Pinterest to turn into fabric postcards, and this was one of them. Look, I wouldn't even have to create the applique. I could just cut out and fussy cut each one of these and put them on a fabric postcard. Now, growing up, my grandparents had one of these types of campers, and we stayed in it when we stayed on their property in upstate New York before we built the little cabin on there. We stayed in the camper all the time. My siblings and I, we used to actually just play in the camper when it was in the yard. My grandparents let us use it as like a little clubhouse as long as we were careful, of course. So I thought that was really fun. Now I have to wonder, did I send my friend any fabric today? Wouldn't it be fun if I sent a fabric that had the same colors? I know I didn't send this fabric because I don't have any, but that would be fun if I sent something purple and pink. Let's see what my friend got. I like to go to the Dollar Tree and go into the beauty section or whatever it's called and find little fun things. This one looks like it's an avocado hand and nail gloves, uplifting, nourishing, and softening. Because sometimes we forget to pamper ourselves, so I want to remind my friend to just take a little time for herself and to do a little bit of a beauty restoration. 2 more bits of fabric for her stash. And we have day 3 ready to go under the tree. I sent out her package back in October, so I have no idea what I sent her today. But did I match? Thank you, my friend. I'll see you tomorrow.